Good morning, children. Let me take a new lesson for 9th standard. It is lesson number 4, electric charge and electric current. You know what is electric current? Electric current, it's a flow of electrons. So now everything, whatever it may be, whatever the things you are taking, it's made up of protons and electrons. We have studied in the lower classes. Protons are positively charged, electrons are negatively charged. In all the objects, it consists of atoms. Atom has two charged particles. One is proton, other one is electron. Proton is positive, electron is negative, neutron is neutral. Okay. So the flow of electron, the negative charged particles are flow, that is known as electricity. So what is electricity? We'll see first. Electricity is flow of electrons. The electrons are negatively charged particle. Okay, so what is electric charge? This is from lower flow of electrons from the higher level to lower level or lower level to higher. Electric charges, that is positive and negative charges are there, that is electric charge, positive and negative. That is protons and electrons. So in this lesson, we have to study about what is electricity, what is electricity, what are the charges, how it can be measured, what is the difference between the electric potentiality is what, everything we have to see in detail. Okay, so take page number 39. So important points and all you just underline. I think within two classes I may complete the lesson, I think so, or else 3 classes. Okay, so electric charge, everything is fundamental. How that is protons and electrons are the fundamental particles of atom. So the same, how they are the fundamental particles of atom, the same like electric charge also fundamental property of matter. Electric charge is fundamental property of matter. So an electric current is nothing else. It consists of moving electrons. That is flow of electron or else moving electrons. Now we know electric charge is fundamental particle. Electricity is nothing else. It's a flow of electron from the higher level to lower level or lower level to higher level. Okay. So for example, we can find out how the electricity, whether the electricity works or not. Even we said our body also made up of atoms and everything. Our air, it got electrons. In our air, in the comb, electrons are there. When you use the plastic comb and comb your hair properly, so after you are combing off, you have to take the comb and keep near the paper bits of paper. You can try at home also. What you have to do, you should take comb your hair first. Then after some time, after that, as soon as you comb the hair, you take the comb near the paper bits. The paper bits are attracted towards the comb because from our hair what is there? Electrons. This electron flows to the comb. When the comb goes near the paper, because of the electron, because of the flow of electricity, they are attracted. The papers are attracted towards the comb. It is experimented by a scientist. Okay, the same like, because electron from our hair accumulate means what? Join together on the edge of the comb. Then the comb is negatively charged because they are getting the electron. So this is the charge. The comb, it got electron from our hair. So what charge it has? Negative charge. How it has got negative charge? Because electrons are negatively charged particle. The electron from our hair goes to the comb edge, that teeth are there, the pallan solvanga paranga, and that it goes. So it is known as what? Because it got the electron from the hair, the comb is negatively charged. And the papers are attracted towards the thing, so they are positively charged. This is known as what? Charge. Clear, children? No? The flow of electron is electricity. Then because flow of electron in that, electrons are negatively charged particle, they are attracting the other thing, they are positively charged particles. Clear? We said already like poles repel, unlike pole attracts. That you have studied from lower classes, magnetism. Like pole, north and north, they repel each other. North and south mean they attract each other. Clear? So, the electric charge is measured by the thing Coulomb. What is electric charge is measured by Coulomb. I'll write here, I'll write by this side. Electric charge. We'll see what are the charges. Electric charge. Everything, whatever it may be, what are the scientific things? There should be a unit to measure that. This is Coulomb. You can say shortly C. Electric charges, the SI unit of electric charge is Coulomb C. Clear? We have studied already. The charge of the electron is negligible. Negligible means what? It cannot be counted because it's 0.1, not even 1. Proton is plus 1. Neutron also, it has the charge particle. So that's why while calculating atomic mass, we are considering proton and neutron. So we have seen what is electricity, what is electric charge. How can we find out the difference between these two? By using a comb, I said clearly. Then one charge is attract other charge, that is known as what? Electric charge. That is, I said already, the comb attracted the paper bits because comb is negatively charged particle, papers are positively charged particle. They are attracting each other. That is known as the force. The force exerted by the electron attracts the paper bits. That is known as electric force. Electric force is nothing. It is the attraction. Clear? The force existing, I said already, like charges. Like charges, they repel. Repel means what? They move away. Then unlike charges, they attracts. This I did in the, when you are in 7th standard, we did in the practicals also by using a magnets. Clear? The force existing between the charges, what all given in the bold letters, you have to go through once and memorize. The forces existing between the charges is called electric force. So, the area where the electricity passes is known as what? Electric field. Next we have to say what is electric field. The area surrounds by the electricity is known as what? Electric field. So what are the things required to make the electric field? We'll see now. The region in which charge experiences electric force forms the electric field around the charge. Electric field is otherwise represented by E. Okay. The electric line of forces are straight or curved path along which unit positive charge tends to move the electric field. It may be curved or else straight line. Electricity passes in straight line or curved line, whatever it may be. But it has a positive particles. Because electricity is negative electron. So it has one positive particle. Now we have to see electric field, I say, where it is surrounds. Next we have to see what is electric potential. Electric potential. In the region of the electric charge, there is an electric field. I said wherever the electric positive charge and negative charge, certainly what is there? Electricity is there. Other charges experience force in the field is vice versa. There is a work done on the charges to keep them together. That is positive charge and negative charge. No? By uniting that, we can make a work. For example, we want to glow the bulb. We have to switch on the switch. So as soon as you on the switch, the bulb started to go the bulb started to go because of the flow of electrons, electricity charges. Because by connecting the two charges, positive and negative charge, a work is done, mean that is known as what? Potential difference. அதாவது அந்த எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டியால் ஒரு வேலை நடக்குதுன்னு சொன்னால் அதனோட அந்த பவர் என்ன சொல்கிறீங்க? எலக்ட்ரிக் பொட்டன்ஷியல். This results is known as electric potential. Electric potential, its definition given in page number 41, you say, electric potential is the measure of the work done on unit positive charge. The work is done. Done means what? அங்கே வேலை நடந்திருக்கு. எதனால் நடந்திருக்கு? Because of the positive charge. To bring it to the point against all electrical forces. Clear? Then electric current, I said already, it's a moving electron. So that is electricity is produced by battery. Then we have to say direction of the current. Direction means what? Current flows on which direction? Electric potential, I say, work done. By positive charge is known as what? Potential. Clear? Now we have to see what are the things required for direction of current. We have to say. Next one we have to say direction of current. What is direction of current? We will say now. An electric current consists of moving positive flow electron as well as positive charges. Although we know this is wrong, the idea will widely held as the discovery of flow of electron did not affect the basic understanding. In the previous, before the electricity's flow of electron is recently found. Before that, what people believe, there is a positive charge, the flow of positive charge only electricity. They feel like that. After that only scientists proved the flow of electron only is known as what? Electricity. So whatever it may be, and then after that they converted them. Already previous idea is there. Now what is the previous idea? Flow of protons is positive charge. That is, proton is known as electricity. So they have given the name, the movement of the positive charge, they said conventional current. Direction of current. Then positive means, this is the old belief. They said this is conventional current. Then negative, this is recently we are finding out, no? This they said electron current. Clear, children? Before they finding out the truth, because electricity is the flow of electron, they wrongly believe what? Flow of positive charge only is known as electricity previously. But nowadays they came to know because of flow of electrons only electricity is followed. But then too, they don't want to refuse the old belief. So they given the name as positive charge. Electricity is the flow of positive charge. They said it is conventional current. Present we are using no, electricity is the flow of electron, negatively charged, that is known as electron current. They are given the direction as conventional current and electron current. Then how to measure this electron current, either conventional or electron current, how to measure? Current is the rate at which charges flow past point in on a circuit. On the circuit, how does it flow? So on flowing direction, flowing on flow of the that can be measured. Okay, current is, what is current? Current is the rate at which charges flow past at a point on circuit. This can be found out by using a SI unit of electric current is ampere. Electric charge is coulomb, I said. SI unit of electric current is ampere. Okay, electric charge, first one we have seen. Second one is electric current, ampere. So ampere, coulomb, both are same only. So that is an instrument used to measure the strength of the electric current, that is known as what? Ammeter. Third one we are seeing ammeter. So we have the practicals. So in that we have to connect, we have to see the flow of the direction of electricity by using ammeter, voltmeter, galvanometer, this and that. So what is ammeter? It is the instrument which find out the capacity, that is which find out the strength of the electricity is ammeter. Ammeter is an instrument used to measure the strength of electric current in an electric circuit. ஒரு சர்க்கியூட் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுறோம், பேட்டரியிலேருந்து உங்களுக்கு we have to collect the instruments and finally it is connected to the switch, that is known as what? Circuit ஒரு இது ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுறது circuit. Okay, so ammeter is an instrument. What is the instrument to find out the strength of the electricity? Ammeter. The ammeter is connected in series in circuit where the current is to be found. So which circuit we want to find out the capacity of the current, we have to connect with the ammeter. Ammeter also there is a positive charge and negative charge. Certainly flow of electricity naale ungalku oru positive and negative will be the positive is red. Ammeter positive terminal is red color. Okay, and negative terminal is negative minus, that may be black. So we have to use the ammeter to find out the strength of the electric current of the electric circuit. So for that you have to take the ammeter. So here the ammeter, the current flows from positive terminal to negative terminal. இங்கே முதல்ல எதை கனெக்ட் பண்ணுவீங்க? பாசிட்டிவ் டெர்மினல், that is in red color. Negative color in black color, that should be connected with the battery. Here the diagram is given DC. This is ammeter. That is switch, bulb is glowing, the rheostat, battery. Through the battery only, the ammeter, red color is connected to the battery, the same like other part is connected with the black, and finally it is connected to the bulb. This is ammeter in a circuit. Practically you can experience while you are coming for 10th standard or possible 9th standard also. Okay, next we have to see electromotive force. That is electricity travels that flows very fastly. The force is measured by using a formula, electromotive force, EMF. So we'll see what is electromotive force. That is the flow of electricity is measured by electromotive force. Here the pumping action of the electrical energy is made possible by the electromotive. By using the force we have to find out how does the electricity flows, how fastly. The flow of electrons can be easily measured by using electromotive force. It is around the circuit. This is 1 volt around the electric circuit. Okay children, let me conclude the lesson. What are the things so far we have seen? We have to continue in other classes only. Electricity, this is nothing else, flow of electrons. And electric charge, I said, flow of electron, though it is a flow of electron, there is some other power to attract it. So we have positive charge and negative charge. The connection of positive and negative charge only is known as what? Electric charge. Electric charge is measured by Coulomb in SI unit. We can say as C. Electric force, this is attraction of positive charge. Generally I say like charges repel, unlike charges attract. Electric field I say there is an area which surrounds. Then electric potential we have seen. What is the old belief? The flow of protons, that is positive charge, is electricity. So that is known as conventional, correct. But at present we find out flow of electron only in electricity. So that is known as electron current. And we can find out the unit of electric current by using ammeter. Okay. Thank you children. We will continue in another class.